Alrighty, we're gonna be doing a spring cleanup video. The objective on this side of the house is, you see how I clean the gutters. So the objective here is to get as much of that wet leaves up as possible with the mower. We did lower it down quite a bit. We're also going to try to get some of the dry leaves up as well. How well we do, not real sure how it's going to go, but that's okay. Anything we miss with this, we got in the next step. Alrighty guys, there's a storm moving in. It's supposed to be a bad one, so I might take some videos of that later. I don't know, it depends on how bad it gets, but we're gonna have to call it here. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit, but as far as spring cleanup, well, she's looking pretty good. It's almost time to dethatch back here. Almost. Probably got one more mow before I detach it. Lower those blades down just a little bit more to get some more of this other grass up. Let's see, spring cleanup back here. It's pretty much done. I mean, by the time I trim around the fence, around the beds and everything, kick those leaves, what's remaining back into the yard, and then mow to pick it all up. It's done at that point. So, bye.